ChatReport is an AI-powered smart reporting assistant developed to work seamlessly with ProManage. It allows you to query production data using everyday language. You can open ChatReport by clicking the icon at the top of the screen. Users can access complex reports and data analysis directly through the chat window. No need for a separate reporting tool. This way, ChatReport helps users interpret production data and better understand manufacturing process. From the chat window that opens on the right side of the screen, users can ask for any production data that they need. For example, you could ask, what was the OEE value in March? As you can see, ChatReport analyzes the data in the system, provides the OEE value, and includes a brief explanation. Here is another example. Which machine had the most downtime yesterday? ChatReport quickly shows which machine experienced the most downtime, the reasons behind it, and the total duration. As shown in these examples, ChatReport allows users to generate daily reports from the ProManage system using just a few words, saving time and boosting efficiency.